Hello guys, welcome back sa channel. And for today's video, we're gonna read Capricorn for the first week of May. So right now, it's 27th of April as I am filming this video. And let's see kung ano yung kapalaran ng Capricorn for the first week of May. And we have tarot cards dito guys. So we're gonna read the energy of Capricorn for the first week of May. And if you are a Capricorn, this video is for you. Yes. But other zodiacs can also listen to this because baka may mga learnings tayong makuha, 'di ba? So hindi naman porket Capricorn ka is hindi naman porket ibang zodiac ka is hindi ka pwedeng makinig sa Capricorn. Okay, but we will focus on Capricorn for our reading today, for our zodiac. And I am planning to have a series of zodiac readings. So kung gusto mong makita yung reading or kung gusto mong makita yung mapanood yung video mo, 'di ba? Mapanood yung readings ng zodiac mo. Ang gulo ko. Yeah, just find that, search that in our videos. And it's actually the first reading that I'm gonna do with zodiac. So I choose Capricorn. I don't know why, but let's see kung ano yung kapalaran ng Capricorn for this first week of May. And we have the first card here. We have the Knight of Swords. Okay, so you need to watch on your how you communicate with the people around you, because I can see here that somehow your personality is very strong. Yeah, very strong naman talaga yung mga Capricorn. But that strength can turn into your disadvantage with the Knight of Swords. So parang alam mo yan, like, yeah, I know naman na super strong ka as a Capricorn. But medyo maghinay-hinay tayo, and you need to watch what you say in people around you, especially if you're around people. Kasi it could be the cause of problem this first week of May. And we also have the Knight of Pentacles. Your dreams will come true. Actually, you've been planning about this, like maybe it's like a trip or something that you want to do for a long time. So mangyayari na siya ngayon. Actually, mangyayari na siya. Parang bumubukas na yung pinto for that thing to happen. Okay, we also have the Knight of no, we have the stars dito. And this time, yeah, all your dreams will come true. And for this first week of May, opportunities are coming. Sorry guys kung tumitingin ako kasi I have my computer kasi dito. Yeah, basta makinig na lang kayo. Oo. So wala tong bayad, kaya 'di ba? Para siyang private reading. And by the way guys, we have our TikTok account kung gusto nyo, like we have private readings there. And we also have alam nyo, papalitan na lang natin siguro yung pangalan natin. And we have the star, as I said, opportunities for this week, I don't know, for the first week of May are coming. And ano siya, it's like more on healing about what happened to you this last week of April, or this month of April. Kasi hindi maganda yung April sa'yo, no? Ang daming problems. So ngayon, parang babawi yung first week of May sa'yo. Yeah, so we're gonna have weekly reading guys para may guide kayo. Huwag kayong mag-alala. And also, I can see here the Eight of Swords. It doesn't necessarily mean na sobrang laki agad ng pagbabago for the first week of May, because you can just take small steps. Kasi small steps are actually controlled. Parang more controlled kasi siya. So, our goal for the first week of May for Capricorns is less mistakes. Yeah, less mistakes tayo. So, I can say na wag ka muna magpadalos-dalos. Yeah, parang ganun din with the Knight of Swords yung first card natin kanina. So, ayan, hindi ko pala napapakita yung cards. So, we have the Knight of Swords. Okay, we also have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, what's with the Knight? We also have the Star. I don't know, pwede siya pakita kasi naked siya. And we have the Eight of Swords, guys. Okay, small steps. Okay, kumbaga, ano nga yung kasabihan na yun? Basta a little goes a long way, 'di ba? Oh, yun lang. So we have here the moon, okay? There are things that you don't see around you that can actually help you. Parang nate-take for granted mo siya, which is minsan gano'n tayo. Like may mga bagay na okay, makakatulong pala sa atin, andiyan lang pala sa harap natin or sa paligid natin but we don't see. Kasi nga ano, naka-focus tayo sa ibang bagay. Okay? We're to focus on the things that are not actually helping us, right? Oh, we have the Page of Swords. Okay, so take your time. Take your time. Take your time to think. Aha, wag padalos-dalos. Eto na naman tayo. Okay, so Capricorn, eto na lang, no? Wag padalos-dalos sa mga ginagawa mo kasi alam mo 'yon, like yan ay ikapapahamak natin. So that's what your card is telling. Okay? So, ano pa ba? So 'yun. I guess that's it for the first week of May for Capricorn, okay? So wag tayong masyadong magpadalos-dalos Capricorn. Think before you act, work on your communication, ano pa? Kasi lahat ng mga pinaplano mo matutupad siya for this first week of May. And again, guys, I guess that's it. So I don't know if pwede dito sabi ng accounts but we're on tick yan. I don't know if pwede siya sabihin but yeah. I'll just na lang write on the description. Okay? So again, we have these cards for you. So for your zodiac, you can comment your zodiac dito, okay? And kung gusto niyo ng private reading, comment down below, magre-reply ako and i-PM niyo ako, okay? I-PM niyo ako or mag-comment kayo. Yeah, so that's it for the Capricorn for the first week of May.